What's up, you guys? So today I have an unboxing of the all-new iPhone 11. This is the successor to last year's iPhone XR. This one is finished off in the purple color, and this one is a 64GB model. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So to start off, they give us a little pull tab with a green arrow. Break the seal. Take that off. And just lift the lid. And there it is, the iPhone 11 in purple. This year they changed up the box a little bit. Last year you got your paperwork on top and then the iPhone, but now it's back to the iPhone as soon as you open up the box. And there's no plastic protector on the back anymore, it is on the front. So let's go ahead and power it on and leave it to the side. So the rest of the box has your regular paperwork, such as your quick start guide and your Apple stickers. Under that we have our 5-watt charging brick. This is not the fast charger. The fast charger 18-watt brick is included with the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max. You also get your Lightning earpods and your charging and syncing Lightning cable. Once the device boots up, you get your Hello Setup screen, so go ahead and select your language, region, and if you have iOS 11 or above, you can do the Quick Start feature just by bringing your older phone to the side and it sets up, but I'm going to go ahead and set this one up manually. The screen is the same as iPhone XR. It's the same 720p display, not 1080p like most other phones today. It's also LCD. So it's not an OLED panel, but don't get me wrong, this is one of the best LCD phones you can buy today. It's extremely sharp, and you're not going to notice the 720p quality at all. This is an upgrade from my mom's 6S Plus, and she doesn't notice a thing. It's got the same user interface as any iPhone in the past, same gestures as the iPhone X introduced. Coming to the sides, this one is the purple model, and Apple color matched the aluminum sides. They've anodized it. And it's a darker purple color than the back glass is. It's more of a lavender color than a purple. It's very light. And the camera square is matte finish instead of the glossy finish you get on the actual back of the phone. So coming to the cameras, you have your regular wide-angle lens, and then on the bottom you have your ultra-wide lens. So instead of a telephoto camera for your second lens, Apple threw in a wide-angle lens this year. You have your microphone and your 4 LED flash. Again, you've got your SIM card tray all the way at the bottom, instead of the middle like on other iPhones. This one doesn't have 3D touch. It does have haptic touch, however. None of the phones that Apple introduced in 2019 have 3D touch. So anything can be accomplished with the long press. The notch is still a controversial piece of the iPhone. However, most people don't really care at this point, because you're looking at the middle of the screen and you don't really look up there. And iPhone 11, the whole iPhone 11 series introduces the A13 Bionic processor, which is the fastest processor in any phone to date. And the processor, it's really fast, it's very snappy, but the speed of the processor doesn't necessarily matter now, but it matters, say, 3 or 4 years later when you're still using this device. It's still going to feel extremely fast and reliable. That's why iPhones tend to hold their value better even a few years later, and that's why you see so many people still using their old iPhone 6S's to this day, because they're still really fast. Even though the battery life may suffer, the speed of the phone, it's still going to be quick and snappy. If you restart your phone sometimes, it might be even better. Going into the still section of the wallpapers, you do get all the stock wallpapers that come with iOS 13, as well as the ones that came with previous versions of iOS. So going into the live wallpaper section, you do get all the 6 wallpapers that come with the 6 variants of the iPhone 11. So this one over here is the wallpaper that comes with the white phone. So you can set which color you want for your phone. And of course they do have light and dark mode capabilities. So this is just a quick little unboxing video of this iPhone 11. The color, once again, you can take a look. However, most videos on YouTube don't do it justice. I recommend going to your local Apple store or cell phone store and checking it out for yourself. The purple color is very light and minimal, so you know, guys can rock it too. My favorite color on the iPhone 11, however, is green. So if you have any questions regarding the iPhone 11 or anything about the setup process, leave a comment down below and I'd be happy to answer them. Anyways, thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.